everyone, welcome to my channel PFly. I hope you guys are doing great and going for the interviews.
So guys, this is the genuine website of Singapore Airline. It is a very big hiring in India by Singapore Airline. So if you want to apply, please apply as soon as possible because you need to have an invitation also, and we cannot assure you like what kind of process they are going to follow after the application process. So you have to wait. Either they are going to send you the assessment link through mail, and there you have to complete your assessment, and then you have to wait for the invitation, or just be ready with your mail. And I'm going to show you how you can apply and what kind of vacancies they have updated on their website. So I will give you the link in the description box of Singapore Airline, and here you are going to scroll down. As you can see here, we'll be conducting interviews for cabin crew in Mumbai, India. So 6th and 7th of June. Now it's April, then full April, full May, and then June they are going to invite you. So do not think about that like they will keep like they will allow you to submit the application for 2 months. No, nothing like that. They may close the vacancy as soon as possible. We never know. We cannot like we do not have any deadline, so just apply as soon as possible, guys. So as you can see here, they have written some eligibilities, or you can say the its requirements. So English is mandatory, as we all know it's international airline. And very good thing is that the height requirement is 1.58 meter for female and 1.65 meter for male. So you can just search it on Google. 1.58 meter means how many centimeter for girls. Okay, if you are confused about it, then your bachelor degree is important. So here it is, that is the main thing. If you do not have bachelor degree, it means if you are not graduated, they are not going to hire you. They are not going to go. They will not go with you for more further rounds. So just like think about it before applying. You can apply, like you can easily apply. Application is not that it's a big thing. But at the venue, when they will take the introduction or something, they will ask you the documents, and then maybe you will get rejected. But do not worry about it. First you apply and then think about all this thing. Okay, then they ask you that you have to reallocate to Singapore. Like for sometimes layover, you may come to India. Maybe you will live in you may operate your flight from Mumbai, or if sometimes they will give you the layover in Delhi. Maybe they will give you the layover in Assam, Guwahati, not somewhere, but it's just for layover. Your proper base will be Singapore Airline. Okay, then see what they have written. Successful candidate must be able to commence employment with this within 3 months from the date of application. So within 3 months they are going to do all this thing with you people. So application, they have written also here. See, selected applicants will receive a link to complete a video interview online. Candidate who are shortlisted will be invited to attend a final interview. So what I have already told you people, first maybe they will give you the assessment link. So yeah, they are going to give you an assessment link, and then they will give you the invitation link. So do keep checking your mail. So here you can see apply now. I will just click on it to apply for the application process. As you can see here, they are asking you, do you have an account, or have you forgotten your password, or not a registered user yet, create an account. So just try to log in first. If you are unable to log in, go for the create an account. You can create an account. Okay, so I have already my saved password here, so just I'm signing in. And as you can see here, they are showing you already applied for this position. So as you have seen, it was showing that you have already applied. So what if you people will also face the same situation like me? How you are going to apply, reapply again, or how you are going to add your application again, or renew your application again? So there is also one process. Just clear everything and log in with a new ID from which you haven't applied, or just register with new Gmail from which you haven't applied yet. It is not Indigo or something that you are not unable to apply, you can apply. But if you want to reapply from the same email ID, so there's an thing which you can do. Like I have tried my best to search it for you people. So you have to come on to this page again. Okay, you come to this page again. Here you can see things: sign in, create account, employees login, right? So you have to click and sign in. So sign in, if you will click it, you will see that you have signed into the all the things related here. So then you can easily save things out. So as you can see, first is my documents, second is profile information, third is skills, fourth is search operations and search options and privacy, then job applied, then saved application, then previous employment, then education, then certificates and licenses. So one by one we will just check. For my documents, you have to upload your resume. If they have a asterisk mark here, which is, it is important. Then cover letter, if you have, you can. If not, you can skip. Profile information is important. Your name, then your last name as per your passport or any such documents. Then preferred name, what's your preferred name. Then they will ask you for passport number, last four characters of your passport number, which is mandatory. But if you do not have passport, just write NA. Okay. Then they will ask you email id, then mobile number, state, city, country, these things. Then click on skills. You can just add some skills also, or you can just skip this. Then search options, you can just skip this. Job applied, so it is showing me that Singapore, it is already closed, and they have asked me to give the assessments and all. Okay, so it is all about, it's been 2 years, and it is showing your assessment has been already applied, or it is existed, it was showing. But I have applied last in 2014, and else I am just making videos for you people. So every time I do not apply for the job role, because I know if I will apply again and again, I am not able to make videos for you people. Then they are showing saved application. So one application I just saved, which was in 2025. Fine, as you can see, dates and all, dates and everything. If you are a previous employer in any such company, just write their company name, from when you have joined, from when you are leaving the company, what's the notice period, everything they are going to ask you in this section. Or either you can just skip this part. Then education, you have to click add, and you have to write all the things: qualification date, school, educational, everything is star mark, and you have to fill it. Qualification, end date, mode of study, everything you have to be very much like uh, you have to be very much aware while filling up this form. And certificates and licenses, if you have any certificate or licenses, so you can just write it, or you can just clicking remove it and remove this section. And then you can save the application. So any of you are getting the apply option, so just click on apply. Like if you are applying for the first time, you may get the option like apply. If you are getting it, then it is fine. If you are not getting apply, maybe they are not giving the apply options like Akasa here. Okay, so just leave it as it is, and try to fill all the things in details. And after filling up the application, you can just simply click sign out. If you are changes that you have made may not be saved, leave. So I haven't saved my profile because I haven't changed anything, so I will just say leave. So just be sure that before leaving you are saving all the applications, and then only you are able to apply for it, guys. Okay, so these are the things. I hope it will help you. Still, if you're facing any kind of issues, do let me know in the comment section, guys.